feel surrounded, I speak your truth aloud. The Lord is my shepherd, your peace quiets every sound. You go before me always, your goodness never ends. You are my refuge, my Father and my friend. Your word lifts me, your promise makes me strong. Even in the valley, I know I'm not alone. Your word lifts me, it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. is where I belong. When storms rise around me, I stand on what you say. My help comes from the Lord. You guide me every day. You renew my spirit. You carry all my cares. Every trial.
So guys, hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing great. This is before I put in this headset, and I do apologize. I do apologize for the bad sound on the previous video, but Osmari borrowed me these to try and see if like the sound won't be better, because for now this is what we have. This is what we are going to use. So I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for joining in. I do appreciate the support, even though the sound was super bad, but you still showed up for that video. I went thrifting yesterday, and the aim was to look for the chairs. We've been looking for the chairs for quite some time, but we ended up finding some of the things that were on the list. They were not a priority, but you know, with thrifting, when you don't take what you want or need on that particular time, like you won't find it when you come back. So that is why we ended up taking what we took. But that video will be up on Friday, and I wanted to update you guys that we are now going to try and upload on Monday, and then on Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. This video should have been up, but I'm not done editing. And thank you so much for bearing with me, you guys. Having Usnano and trying to film the videos is not always easy, but I do try to show up. So yeah, we will do the new schedule. So now the video will be Monday, Wednesday, and on Fridays, so that I can also track that I'm really uploading 3 videos in 1 week, just to, you know, get better content, you guys. But it is going to be our weekly stockpile. This is what we got this time around. The rice I've already opened and put this one here. Let's put this one here. So now we are 4, 5. So it means that we have in total. We do. It's not easy to cook this one, you guys, because Uhlelo doesn't like it at all. And sometimes was struggling to eat when we cook this rice. So we bought more white rice than the brown one. We still have, like, it's a lot. We still have like a lot of it. So maybe I'll try to cook 2 pots maybe in one of the days. It's just that it's not always easy. So this one on the stockpile, I'm not sure when does the ShopRite say, and I'll leave this other lady who does like the shops and pamphlets and so that you can check her channel out. You guys will see that when does the special start, when does it end, because she's normally early with those specials. With me, it's already Wednesday, and maybe it's ended on Wednesday, on Saturday. It's just that I wanted to show you that we are still doing the stockpiles. And then for the beans, I've already cooked 2. They were 92 rand for 2, if I'm not mistaken, and the rice were 30 rands. So this is like, this is 9, 12, this is 12 of these. We cooked a lot of cool beans, so this will finish faster, you guys. We cook a lot of tin beans. Sometimes we make it for breakfast, so it finishes faster. And it is one of the things that finishes faster in this house. But for the rice, we use 2 kg in a month, because I don't always cook on Fridays. I don't cook, we eat leftovers. Sometimes on Saturdays, because I'm always tired from work. Sometimes we do buy a takeaway, but that's not always the case. I also want to cook like batch from a few meals because we are working also this coming weekend. We are going with the girls and guys just to try and save the coins from paying the lady. Is there anything new here? Yeah, that's that, you guys. Some of the things were just those additional, the fruits, the vegetables. Let me just show you those. The lighting is much better on this corner. So for our weekly stockpile, if I'm standing here, you must know that we are doing one stockpile at a time on that video. We got potatoes from Fruit Stock. These were 35 rand. Yes, I'm fine, babies. They're 35 rand for 5 kg. I think it's a reasonable price because they are big. Some of them will be using for potato chips on Fridays. We do have those on Fridays. This I'm about to, that is falling off. This I am about to cook and then try to freeze some for the smoothies. I won't freeze a lot though because you guys look at just one. Here is a big spinach, and then Osmano is struggling, like she's sort of constipated, so prawns are always helping her. We got more of these. The first ones were brown and they were much smaller in size compared to these ones. These are big, you guys, and they taste like plum, but they are fruits for baby. She loves them, and they are also helping her. Like, and then this was 20 rand. This is for rosemary, and then we must have onions, you guys, because onion rings. There was a bucket that was passing. We must do onion rings from time and again. And then we got grapes. I forgot to take out my frozen onions, but also I want to make a chili tomato sandwich for the girls tomorrow. So this is why I got these ones. I'm only left with one packet in the freezer, so it's okay. I'm using those ones for stews. Oh, I'm not longer making tomatoes. Yeah, I'm not longer making these. These are just for sandwiches and yeah, stuff like that, not for our stews, because I'm making this today. So you guys, that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking and doing everything for the channel. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you are enjoying your groovy day. See you guys on my next upload.